Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on the Link to Success copy trading business that I'm involved with, that I decided to join and using at the moment. And I want to show you how I plan to trade from now on without losing on my overall accounts. Um, and the main thing that I'm going to do is to build a portfolio. I started with a small portfolio with my own managed robots from Expert Forex, but I haven't been successful. I would be successful, then I lose the money on off, and then I discovered Link to Success copy trading, where they've got proven robot strategies that have gone through the mill and are successful. It doesn't mean that they will not go bust. So far, in the last year and a half, there was only one that lost like 90%, but it didn't go bust. I thought it went bust, but it just went to the suspense account, so it can still recover. But that's out of more than 100 robots. At the moment, there are more than 80 robots that you can choose from, and you can cherry pick the best ones for your portfolio so that you will almost always make money. And if there's one of the bots that crashes, then you still have your other robots trading for you and making money. I want to show you the sales page here, and I also want to show you the robots performances that you can choose from. So here's a Link to Success sales page, and you can link. I'll add my affiliate link in the description below. If you join through my link, I'll also help you with the setup, because it can be quite a process to set up, say, 10 or 20 bots to work for you. I would highly recommend read through the sales page. Um, there's also videos available, but here you can see some of the performances of these bots. This is for the last month. This obviously changes week from week. Every week this is updated, because these bots can go in a drawdown and not make money, say, for a couple of weeks or a month, and then they'll come back out of recovery, and then you'll have come out of the drawdown and then still have your capital reserved, or capital not depleted. But that's why you don't want to invest in just one bot. You want to have a portfolio of 10, of 20, or 30 bots. And that is my goal to, at the moment, um, I think I've just got over 10 bots, but I'm going to grow that to 20, 30, 40 bots that is trading. So then yeah, you can see what the names of the bots, and then also how many people have linked to these bots. You'll see from my last video there was only, I think there were much less bots available, but Alex and his team has added, I think, 15 or 20 new bots with new expert advisors with even better performances. And I've linked my last 5 bots to these, so I'm looking forward to those performances. But you can see the average is 96% per year. You can see that was also from my last video. It's lower than the 106 it was before, but because of all the new bots that have been added, they haven't had time to perform. So there's a lot of capital that's been added without a lot of performance. So I think this will increase a lot in the next couple of weeks and months. Um, so you can see the average account age. So it's 236 days. And that includes a new bot at only about a month or 40 days old. Um, what is nice is you can click on this link here and it will take you to FX Blue, and you can study this bot, what it trades, the performance, the drawdowns, the age, the performance, everything on here. There's a huge amount of information on FX Blue on each bot. So you can see this one's already 459 days. You can see it's flatlined a little bit here. It's normally if there's a big drawdown, then it takes a while to recover, but then it will start trading again. But besides even that, you can see the performance per month is still 13%, which is excellent. My goal is to get bots anything above 5%, or sorry, 8% per month. So I'm adding those to my portfolio first. Um, but yeah, I'm back at the sales page and all the bots you can choose from. I want to see if I can see some of the new ones that have been added. But anyway, you can see it's been listed here. The broker that is used, the symbol. Some of them you'll see is various, so it's more than one currency that is traded in that on that bot. You can see the account size. Um, so don't worry about the $10,000. What you can do is you can get a cent account from FBS brokers. I'll put my link below as well. And you only need $100, and then they will convert this to $10,000. So you can use this bot on your account, on a $10,000 account. And as your account grows to say $20,000, then you can add another bot. So yeah, so that is the sales page here. Right at the bottom is the where you can purchase the service. And how you do it is it works through a forum. You join a forum. The forum, I just want to go down. Sorry about that. So here you can see it will cost you $74 per month. It's not cheap, so you need to trade a lot in the beginning to get used to it, and add a lot of bots or accounts so that you can have your break even. In the following email, I'll show you my figures that I've made, how to break even, or how much you need to break even each month to cover your monthly subscription. And then you get 3 linked accounts. You can start off with 3 linked accounts that you can link to. I've joined the unlimited, or I've upgraded to the unlimited, but I first joined the $20 where I get 3 additional to the 3 free, so that was 6. Then from there, I decided I'm going to go all in, and then I upgraded to the unlimited. So I'm paying $60 per month for this service. So I then went to FX Blue and opened up an account for myself and my wife. So I've got 2 VPSs that I'm running now on FBS. This is you can see this is the profit retriever. So I'm mixing it a little bit up. In this one is still some of my old accounts. So I'm mixing it with the profit retriever and the trade receiver. The trade receiver bot this is the trade receiver EA. So all you do is if I go to the settings, expert advisor, product, properties, and there you can see the link. So with this one, I'm using 1000 link 14, and I'm using the one to one. And you can also change this to 0.5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, depending how big your account is. But you need to test it first and then decide what your link factor is going to be. So I just want to go. So on this one, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 MT4 platforms on here on this VPS. So it's a little bit overcrowded, and on each one I'm running 1 or 2 or sometimes 3 expert advisors. So this one is also profit retriever. You can see it's opening up trades here, and then as soon as there's a pullback, it will retrieve the loss at this spot here, this line there. So I just want to see what else I've got on this one. There's another profit retriever. Okay, this one I've got a trade receiver. So so this one's I've got the trade receiver on. You can see it's overall already in profit, It's currently there's 2 sells and 10 buys open. Overall, there's 12 positions. It's currently running at the drawdown of $144. If I click on the EA setting, then you'll see all the currencies that it's running. So although I've got the Euro US dollar chart open here, it's this link account trades with various currencies. Yeah, this VPS is very slow, unfortunately, because I think I've got too many expert advisors or accounts on here. But let's go to the other one that I opened up today. So I've got 5 accounts that I've loaded here. I'll load another 5 accounts. Then I think this one will also be full or to the max regarding memory. So so this one I've got a trade receiver running. This one's also okay. This one I've got a profit retriever and a trade receiver. The trade receiver currently there's one position open and it's on a profit of $2. So it's got a target that it needs to reach before it cashes in. But I opened up a profit retriever EA here as well because while I was waiting for because when you load a new link, take that EA needs to close that all positions or that trade, and then you need to wait for the next trade before they open up, or before you'll see some trades open up with the trade receiver robot that you use to link for your linking service. So I opened up the profit retriever and just put it conservative settings and let it run. But I'll close this soon so that the trade receiver do all the work. So you can see it's only a new account. I started it today. It's already made $24. It's in a drawdown of $18, so there's a profit of $5 already today. Here's the next one. Okay, this one's in a drawdown now. It's got 4 buys and 4 sells open with a drawdown of $22. So that's still running and still going. Here is also there's already in a profit. Also only small profit of $4. Yeah, like I said, I only started this one today. But this is all trade receiver and profit retriever combinations. This one I did the same. It also took a while to get started. You can see this one already $16 profit. And then, yeah, it's got a buy. So as soon as it goes up even more, it will probably close it out and then open up a new one or wait for the right. I'm not sure if this is a profit retriever receiver. So here you can see, okay, they're using the profit retriever on this linking service as well. So yeah, it's continuous trading robot. So yeah, that is my trade without making a loss. There might be losses in some of the accounts. Here you can see my portfolio that I'm building so far. You'll see some of it is not pulling through yet. I think it's because it's new. I'm not sure. Let me just refresh it. But yeah, some of these are old accounts, and the old accounts I have converted to more to use the trade receiver service than my own profit retriever setting. So I'm still going to use the profit retriever, but only about 10% of my accounts, and only in combination with the trade receiver. So you can see my average monthly return is 33%. That is low at the moment because I had a drawdown, or of my old accounts went into negative territory or busted. But now that I've changed over, this will definitely increase. But even 3.3% is 40% per year, which is excellent. So yeah, if you want to follow my progress, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you can see how I progress with my new portfolio approach. You can see, okay, this is a cent account. So I don't have $150,000 in the account. It's only $1,500. in the account, because this is a cent account. But the cent account allows me to go into or trade larger amounts and to go in bigger drawdowns. So that's why we do I'm using the cent account. So yes, I highly recommend you check out this Link to Success service. I wish I started using this a year ago when it was launched. These robots are much, much more successful and profitable than my own efforts. And I've been using um, Equid Forex robots now for 5 years. And yeah, it takes a lot of mental strength and a lot of time to get the perfect settings for your robot. But Alex and his team has taken all that effort from us. They're testing robot settings every day. I think he said at one stage he's got 300 robots on test. So the best of the best only reaches this list here. Other members also can load their robot settings, but then Alex will check it first before it's loaded on the list of the ones that we can choose from. So yes, that's my story of not making a loss with my forex trading going forward and building my forex trading business for the future. Yes, I hope every success to you, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.